Okay, right, you wanted to see the box as it had arrived by the mail services. This is it. Been pretty battered, box is open. Tape is pretty rubbish. I don't know if it's been opened by customs or what, if it was pretty heavily abused. This is your box. Okay, your signatures, etc., etc. Okay, we need to some way of opening this box now, so really difficult to do this all by myself, right? In one continuous camera run. Box. Hacking along that. There's the internal box. Okay, you can see the cartons open. There you go. The other side is sealed, so it should have kept it quite secure. Difficult to pull out. I'm just going to lock that down now so I can move it out. The other side seems to be disconnected somehow. So I'm going to declare this box as sort of open on receipt. So I don't know. Put this box down in another part of the workshop. And we'll have a look at this now. Over here. Just going to open that up. Open that up. It appears that everything is there. Different pieces that are needed. Put them over to one side. This is the glass plate, so we're not going to take that out because we don't actually need that. Just gently open the tape down there. Careful not to penetrate through. Gently lower that down onto the bed. Right. Difficult to hold this and inspect. I think I need to be hanging this thing around my neck, really. I'm going to gently take this out of the packet and have a look at it. It all looks fairly complete. Front screens and protectors in place. Back screen protectors in place. TCB seems connected. Right, cool. Right. Now, we've got to refer now to the video on your website because that's thrown up some anomalies on our... Right, here we go. replacing the screen. So excuse our poor old computers, they are quite slow here. Bits and pieces might help. So some of the other software that's running in the background might give us a bit more. Shut down the spreadsheets. Should have had this set up before, I guess, but no matter. Come on. It's beginning to fall off. It's taking forever to download. Spinning away up there. That's a healthy few minutes, 7 minutes so far. Right, here we go. Do a bit of downloading from your website. What we did see, what I'm going to explain to you is what we did see whilst we were opening your video. We have looked at it before to make sure that we're doing things the right way round. Unfortunately, there's only me here this afternoon to do the camera holding and the bloody screen replacement. Is that there was no adhesive used on the removal of the LCD, nor there was any adhesive strips used on the replacement of the LCDs. So I guess this is the way that you want it done. We assumed that the adhesive strips were to hold it in place. Everything fitted that size. So now we've got a bit of an anomaly that you've got parts in there that are no longer used. So I just guess that we follow the LCD, we follow your instructions as you requested. So you have to bear with us whilst it loads from your site. We've only got 5G here, so it's fast, but not that fast. I have to hold it down a bit because I can't. Alright, here we go. Try and get it up to full screen so you get a bit better view of your own video, or what we're seeing rather. So here's the correct video we're watching. Alright, here we go. So that's the part we've just taken out, and the part we've got. Done that already. Remove that, so to speed this video up slightly. So we've removed the front cover. We've unclipped the front screen. We've done that many times. We've undone that on the LCD. We've taken that bit off already to speed things up. Taken off that adhesive cover. Right, we stop there. That has got no adhesive on it. It's got no adhesive to lift that up, because you cannot lift those LCDs up with those ring pulls. That's not possible. So we'll just nip over to the screen and you can see what we've done. We've taken the adhesive off. Here it is already. Got the long one and we've got the shorter one for going to the front screen. We've got the longer one going to the LCD screen. Okay, we've cleaned this off as much as we possibly can. We've given it a light hoover. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that glass screen. That's all one piece and complete. So we've removed the other LCD. So now we're just going to follow the instructions as given on your LCD replacement video. We've got that out and we're now here. This is the point we're at. So we're going to do this in a second. Right, here we go. Slide that in and drop it down. Remove the back plate, screen cover, and just drop it into place. Remove the front. Now that is what we're going to do. There's no adhesive strips used there, as you can hear or see. So it's our generator compressor kicking into place for our other printing machinery. The big old printer over there. Right, so we're here now. I'm going to prop this up against the this box. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to see everything that we do from there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can see that. Now, we have here the LCD screen. As you know, there are no extra adhesive pads supplied to get the front PCB into place. So, according to instructions, just gently drop this into place. Fit into there in just 1 second. So now we lift that up according to your instructions. Gently remove the rear protective adhesive. No dust or anything on the back of the plate, so just leave that out of the way. And just gently drop that into place, as you have done in your video. Right, so that's that. I'm going to take the new support cover plate just to cover up place. Now, the really difficult bit. Now, I think it says to remove this before you put the plate in. So we're just going to go and double check that on the video. Do we remove that sheet before we put the surround in it, or do we so I'm going to go back just a little bit on there. Yeah, you remove the front, and we've just done that one around the different way. You guys are much more adept at putting it in than us. Right, I'm going to go and try and find that bit of protective film, which, believe it or not, doesn't seem to exist. Cannot for the life of me find. Couldn't find it on any of the others either. So there is no protective film on that edge piece. So another anomaly in your installation video. And that, so we'll just hold that in place there again. You should be seeing everything. I hope so anyway, give it one go. So now we'll take this screen off in preparation to replace the outer perimeter adhesive. Pain in the ass this is. And just take it off of this as your chap did in the video. Put that up there. Right, now we'll try and gently just get a corner positioned. The office phone's going, I'm afraid. That's all that in place. So now we just need to put the remaining bits into place. Don't need that anymore. Rubbish. Right, just move this upright so we can get inside a bit better. That's in place on the original adhesives. Right. Just put that into place. Shorter one into place. Goes in the reverse. I don't know why we did it that way, but all in place. So those. Put this into. And a third one. Let's make it all nice and tickety-boo. Howdy. If you're watching. Okay. Turn it on now. So we've got a front screen. Okay, so I'm just going to put a bit of paper on there. I think it's under tools, isn't it? Exposure. Yeah, we'll just go for that one. I might need to see that over there a bit more. Okay. That one in the middle now. And there we've got it in the middle. So I would say that that screen is now working. Thank you very much. I think you can see that we know what we're doing.